This is a tutorial talking about the blinks of Gacha life and 2 joint practices. I usually make a rough draft first and then split. This is already plastic sealed. Then just cut them out. Next up is a tutorial on blinking. First, make a slide like this around the eyes. Compare the width of your eyelids and make a mark. Cut it out and compare the width. Same thing on the other side. Because what I do is to hide my eyelids, so cut off part of it. Be sure to pay attention. When cutting, just leave a little more. Can be more but not less. The best position is to keep your eyes glued to the slide just now. Adjust the length of your eyelids. Still can only keep more but not less. Once you've finished cutting, cut off the excess. If you don't have much confidence at the beginning, just don't cut too much. Use a knife to push it in, or something sharp. Just something that can move it. You can stuff it in. I use 2 spikes to cut off the bumps on the back. Then use the top lid to make it. If there are no 2 spikes, just take paper and cut small squares. Then fold it up. You can also stick it on top. Adjust the length of this place at the back, mainly to fully open the eyes. Can make more. Okay, the head is finished. Here are the joints. Use a hole punch to make a row of holes like this. You can also use paper, then trim the individual detection. First, use 2 spikes to pass through the holes in the joints. Put on the small piece just now. Then break the 2 spikes apart. This is what it looks like when it's done. Cut off the excess parts of the 2 corner nails. Just get some glue and stick the 2 joints together. The same goes for other joints. Next, I will demonstrate a method that does not require 2 corner nails. Prepare a small round piece like this. Cut all sides. 1 knife, but don't cut in the middle. Bend 2 of them. Put the wide curved one into this hole. If it can't be stuffed in, just cut off the excess area. Don't cut it in the middle. After stuffing it into the empty space, straighten it. Add some glue. Don't let the glue stick to the outside. This way the joints are ready.